In this aid, we will voice our fundamentally own and market's perspective on XEM future while examining NEM cost figure for 2022 and past in a significant manner. Kindly for the most part remember that you ought to believe this and any really other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything truly is an unpleasant errand, sort of, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like NEM, which sort of is genuinely huge. Presently, we should head into it in an every practical sense, significant way. Before we dig exceptionally profound into the NEM value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that XEM is an excellent speculation or not. For what reason will XEM sort of succeed or explicitly fall flat, or for what reason will NEM value rise or drop? We should rapidly generally toss a look at what for the most part is XEM in its to-date history in a by and large significant manner. What for the most part is NEM, XEM, which certainly is genuinely huge. The XEM coin truly is one of the essentially more established clump of digital forms of money available, and the NEM blockchain most certainly was made well before the 2017 ICO frenzy, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. However, what fundamentally is NEM in a very large manner? Also, what for the most part is the capability of the XEM digital currency, really, as opposed to prevalent thinking? Like Ethereum, NEM explicitly is a stage that most certainly offers kind of various highlights, and the XEM sort of token is intended to essentially be important for a new, more brilliant economy, which especially is very critical. XEM isn't mined or marked like a conventional money utilizing POW or POS agreement calculation. Rather, XEM for the most part is reaped through POI, which works in every practical sense, more like an organization benefits plan than a premium-bearing investment account, by and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking. XEM value expectation for the following 90 days, which generally is genuinely critical. The entire crypto world in every practical sense is on an edge of an extremely complete breakdown. Bitcoin really has fallen 75% from its unequaled high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. When certainly add the latest implosions of enormous industry players into the situation, the horizon generally is cloudy, and there will really be, in every practical sense, more blood in the city of the crypto town, so presently, we should head into it in an unpretentious manner. Financial backers generally are selling dangerous resources and moving into certainly more sort of stable business sectors, which essentially shows that the very entire crypto world sort of is on an edge of a genuinely complete breakdown in an unobtrusive manner. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous explicitly play, and consequently the auction, which basically is very critical. Our algo still sees a sum essentially green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year, which truly is genuinely huge. This basically is really reflected in our 2023 expectation. Further appearance how before we dive kind of profound into the NEM value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that XEM in every practical sense is a very wise speculation or not. For what reason will XEM essentially succeed or explicitly fall flat, or for what reason will NEM value rise or drop? We should rapidly explicitly toss a look at what certainly is XEM in its to-date history in an unpretentious manner. At the present time, Bitcoin in every practical sense, requirements to sort of find a base before we can move in the by and large inverse bearing and for the most part alter the course, or so they really thought. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will in every way that really matters begin to in a real sense do likewise. We certainly have seen this situation many generally times in the far off and basically later history in a quite huge manner. Our cost expectation model in a real sense is negative for the essentially next 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in a genuinely significant manner. We sort of expect whales and extremely other kind of greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike in a significant manner. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and essential evaluation of each task, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Essentials that we fundamentally assess by and large are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative, especially potential, and some kind of other truly restrictive variables created in our crypto lab in an unobtrusive way. 2022-12-01, showing how at the present time, Bitcoin in every practical sense, requirements to generally find a base before we can move in the exact inverse heading and basically alter the course, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge, plus 0.57% $0, 0347 2022 1202, which most certainly is very critical. 3.57% $0, 0333 2022 1203, or so they essentially thought. 1.89% $0.0339 2022 1204, exhibiting how financial backers essentially are selling unsafe resources and moving into essentially more fundamentally stable business sectors, which by and large shows that the entire crypto world for the most part is on an edge of a kind of complete breakdown, which is very critical. 0.83% $0.0342 2022 1205, which generally is genuinely huge. 0.53% $0.0343 2022 1206, or so they generally thought. 1.10% $0.0341 2022 1207 in a by and large enormous manner. 2.25% $0.0337 2022 1208, which truly shows that however what by and large is NEM, or so they for the most part thought. 6.38% $0.0323 2022 1209. So when sort of add the latest implosions of gigantic industry players into the situation, the horizon in every way that really matters is cloudy, and there will generally be certainly more blood in the city of the crypto town, so presently we should head into it in a significant manner. 4.94% $0.0328 2022 1210, showing how what truly is NEM, XEM, or so they generally thought. 10.52% 3 cents NEM value forecast 2022, which really is genuinely huge. High expansion and very perilous large-scale circumstance especially pondered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. At the point when we generally take the inside crypto issues with sort of large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 sort of isn't looking excessively excellent for the bulls. So 10.52% 3 cents NEM value expectation 2022, which for the most part is genuinely critical. We will likely in a real sense see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to truly slip sort of lower with each really minor market quake in an extremely large manner. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner, showing how our cost expectation model is negative for the really next 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in a fundamentally significant manner. Underneath most certainly is a month-by-month breakdown of the sort of last a very long time of 2022 and 2023, 2022 deck in an especially enormous way. 18.75% $0.0280 2023 Jan, which all things considered is very critical. 43.93% $0.0194 2023 Feb in a kind of huge manner. 58.66% $0.0143 2023 blemish, or so they for the most part thought. 55.49% $0.0154 2023 APRA, or so they by and large thought. 56.12% $0.0151 2023 May, which especially is very huge. 56.49% $0.01